Hi, I'm Henry. Today I'm going to be showing you the remote tank pump controller and how it's installed. So what you'll find in the box: a transmitter with a solar panel and the sensors already wired, its antenna, the receiver with its antenna, washer, some screws and some cable ties. It is recommended to install the water level sensor via your tank overflow. This prevents unnecessary drilling in your tank and ensures the sensors are not exposed to incoming water flow or splashing during tank filling. Before installing this device, measure the height from the base of the tank to the overflow. Keep in mind that the transmitter with the solar panel should be mounted on the tank's roof. The water level sensor comes in a length of 5 meters and can be shortened by using cable ties to loop the wire between each of the sensors. When shortening the wire, do so equally between each sensor. This is important to maintain accuracy. Insert the level sensor into the tank through the overflow and suspend it vertically inside the tank. Make sure the transmitter is upright, with the solar panel facing upward and directly exposed to sunlight. Mount it onto the roof of the tank using 2 of the provided self-tapping screws. For optimal sun exposure, it's recommended to install the transmitter facing north. Secure the antenna by attaching the 32mm washer to the top of the tank with 1 of the self-tapping screws. Ensure that the screw is flush with the washer, then place the antenna's magnetic base on top of it. After that, screw it into the transmitter. Insert the plug to activate the transmitter. Once inserted, transmission will begin, indicated by a flashing red light approximately every 15 seconds. Next, I'm going to show you the receiver that gets installed with a pump. We recommend that you use a qualified electrician for the installation. However, here we've got an example purely for demonstration purposes. The unit is not waterproof and it needs to be installed in a waterproof case. In a real installation, the antenna would be on the outside of the waterproof casing. The receiver shows your tank level percentage here and here. To change the settings, press Set. It will display functions F00 to F09. Select the function you want to change by pressing plus or minus. Press Run Stop to choose the desired function and then change the values with plus or minus. Once done, press Run Stop to save the settings.